What if you could spot trends before anyone else? Well, now you can with the Trends Report from Keywords Everywhere. It shows you what's exploding right now, months before it hits the mainstream. So if you create content, build products, or maybe invest, this is what you need to stay ahead. So I'm going to show you how it works. So this is a new trends feature from Keywords Everywhere. Now I'm going to include a link to this page in the description below. So if you want to stay on the cutting edge of what is currently trending online, you need to take a look at this list. Now, as of this recording, there are over 8,000 trends you can analyze here. And all of these trends come from various categories and niches. Now, to find what you are looking for, you can sort by the status of the trends. So the surging, steady, or the trends that have already peaked. Now, let's just say you want to create content, create social media posts around topics that are currently surging. We can select surging, and these are all of the trends that are currently surging. And you could see this blue icon for all of them right here. We can see Suno AI is surging quite a bit, including AI Agentic, Cursor AI as well. Now, if you take a look at these line graphs, you could see they start back from 2021, and many of these trends or companies or topics didn't exist back then. So what you could do is shorten the time frame. So it's automatically set as 5 years. But let's just say we want to find trends over the past 1 year. Now you could see all the graphs updated. Now each of these trends have data. So you could view the average monthly search value, including how much it has grown or decreased over the past 5 years, 1 year, or the past 3 months. Now, if you don't know what these topics or businesses are, you could read a short description just below the line graph. And you could also see what category each of these trends are under, right? So AI Agentic is technology, Labubu Blind Box is entertainment, categorized under toys. Now, speaking of categories, you can search for trends in specific categories such as home, business, health, beauty, so on and so forth. Let's take a look at all of the trends under the technology category. Okay, so here we go. These are all of the technology related trends we can take a look at. And if we find a trend that catches our eye, we can click into it. So I'm going to click into Suno AI, which has an average monthly search volume of a little over 200,000 per month. So you could see this line graph over the past 5 years and see when it started trending upwards. And you could see it's still very high. You could learn more about Suno AI, the trend decomposition. So it breaks down the data into core components like the trigger, so the demand for realistic AI generated audio and voice cloning for content creation, entertainment, and accessibility grew dramatically. There's also a pestle analysis, so political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental. So you could see how this trend relates to these specific points here, and you could see jobs to be done. So what problem does this trend help solve? So enable scalable, customizable audio content creation with realistic voices. You could see the consumer trend canvas and also a list of companies to watch. Now, taking a look at this report is important, right? Because if you want to start a new business, for example, taking a look at this shows you where the demand is growing, what problems are emerging, and where new opportunities are most likely to succeed. Now, we could dive deeper into a subcategory of our main category of technology. So if we click on subcategories, we could see AI, blockchain, programming, so on and so forth. So let's do AI. So these are all of the trends inside the AI subcategory in our technology category. Now, if you want to more accurately analyze these line graphs, you can disable smoothing so you can have a much clearer idea of where or when these trends peaked and are going down. You can also sort by the time frame, so maybe growth within the past year. You could take a look at that. And if you want to see more trends, you can see up to 120 trends in this view here. Now, as you can see, there are tons of trends you can analyze. Now, depending on your niche or a category or niche you want to research, what's cool is you can actually browse categories by clicking on this link at the very top. So this is a nice way to view all of the various categories. You could see beauty, business, entertainment, so on and so forth. Let's click on the technology category. Now, these are all of these subcategories. Okay, so this is the AI subcategory, blockchain, programming, metaverse, so on and so forth. If we want to take a look at the automation subcategory, we can click on that. And now these are all of the automation trends that are currently surging. So I really like this new feature from Keywords Everywhere because if you are a creator and you want to find topics before they are saturated, this is an excellent resource. Also, if you are a marketer and you want to spot rising demand in various categories and subcategories, this is a great resource for you as well. Again, I'll include a link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.